Tired of Pinterest showing you pins from the wrong country? You open the app hoping to find local inspiration, and instead, you get ads in a different language and recommendations for stores you can't even visit. It is incredibly frustrating. But here is the good news. You can change your region in seconds with this simple fix. I am going to walk you through the exact steps, from opening Pinterest to saving your new country setting. Let us start. So, first things first, open up Pinterest on your phone or your computer.
It does not really matter which one you use. The steps are pretty much the same across the board. Just get logged in and ready to go. Now, look up in the top right corner of your screen. See that little icon? That is your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. It is your gateway to everything behind the scenes. Once you click that, a menu will drop down. You are going to look for the option that says Settings. Click on that. This is where all the account adjustments live. All right, so you are inside your settings now. You will see a list of different sections. What you're looking for is something called Account Management. Go ahead and click on that. This is the hub for controlling your account details and your privacy. Now, here is the part we have been waiting for. Scroll down through the account management page until you find the section labeled Country or Region. It usually sits under your account details. You will see your currently selected country displayed there, along with a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down menu. It will open up a list of every country and region that Pinterest supports. Take your time scanning through it. You want to pick the place that actually matches where you live or where you want your content to come from. Once you have found the right one, go ahead and select it. Just click on it. You will see the name pop into that spot. Now, before we move on, take a moment to review your selection. Make sure it is exactly the country or region you want. You do not want to accidentally set it to the wrong place again and have to repeat this whole process. When you are sure it is correct, look for the Save button. It might be blue, it might be grayed out until you make a change. Click Save. This might take a moment to process, so just be patient for a second. And that is it. Your Pinterest country or region settings are updated successfully. But we're not done yet. Let us make sure it actually worked. The best way to verify the update is to go back to your home feed. Start scrolling. Look at the pins that are showing up. Are they in the right language? Are the ads relevant to your area? If the answer is yes, then you are all set. You went from seeing irrelevant, location-mismatched content to a personalized feed with local pins, ads, and recommendations. But what if nothing changed? What if you are still seeing content from the old country? Do not worry. This happens sometimes, and here is the really important part. Pinterest can be a little stubborn about refreshing. The first thing you should try is closing the app completely and reopening it. That usually does the trick. If you are still having trouble, you might need to clear your cache. On a computer, that means clearing your browser history and cookies. On a phone, you can go into your app settings and clear the cache from there. That forces Pinterest to load fresh data based on your new region setting. Once you have done that, load up Pinterest again. Check your feed one more time. You should now see a world of difference. And there you have it. You are now seeing local content that actually matters to you. If this walkthrough helped, consider sharing it with a friend who might be stuck in the same situation. Happy pinning!